Good morning, it's Heather. We just spoke on the phone. So I'm gonna first go around the vehicle and then I will point out any imperfections this Toyota van has. Once again, it is a 2016 Toyota Sienna. It is an XLE. We would definitely have it detailed again. Let me show you. I'm gonna start with the wheels. The tread looks good. Now there is a little scuffing right there. So it's just wear and tear of scuffing, it looks like to me. It does have the sensors. It does have, a little bit of this. I can see if he can get it out anymore. He usually buffs it, but I'll make sure we have a new cleanup guy that they look at that. Here's another one of the wheels. Right here, I don't know if I think it's just dirt, and then there's some backup sensors, also backup camera. Let me go on the inside of the vehicle. By the way, this is for our little balloons that we do. It does have JBL, so that's one of the better stereo systems. It also has the parking aid, blind spot monitoring, the heated steering wheel. All right, let me just show you. And this is what the seats look like. And it has as you can see, the power doors. I don't know why the seats are pulled back that far, but I can pull them up closer. Hold on one moment, I'm gonna pause it. As you can see, you can pull it up all the way here, or you can have it far back. And this is the third row seat. So it does have the dual sunroof. And this is the entertainment. Tons of cup holders. Okay. Let me turn this on. It has the fresh oil change. There's the navigation. There's the camera. So you can do it that way or that way. You can just do the line, or you can have it where it has the whole amount. So it also has collision avoidance. It has the Bluetooth. It does have where, when you're on the highway, I can't even think about it. The cruise control. And then it has the heated seats. that's where you would put in your Blu-ray CD for the back. It has rear mode, so you can control it. And let's go. So it has different apps that you can use on there. So there are some stains, obviously, for this mileage of a vehicle. It's going to have some. So you have this sunroof. And that sunroof. Okay. Put my seatbelt on. Turn down the air. Because the air works really well. It does have defrosted the windows also. I mean, when I say windows, I'm sorry. Side mirrors. Brakes really good. Let's step out of the vehicle one more time. Once again, we'll get it detailed. If you're interested, thank you so much.